या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण इयत्ता 4 पेज नंबर 14 याचं वाचन करणार आहोत। त्याचबरोबर 20 वाक्यप्रचार 20 फ्रेजेस अँड मराठी मीन। त्याचबरोबर या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण 105 सेंटेन्सेस वाक्य शिकणार आहोत। त्याचबरोबर इंग्लिश वर्ड आणि त्याचे मराठी अर्थ आपण जाणून घेणार आहोत। या व्हिडिओच्या शेवटी अक्षरांपासून तुम्हाला मीनिंगफुल वर्ड तयार करता येईल। चला तर मग सुरुवात करूया। वर्ड्स अँड फ्रेजेस लिसन, रीड अँड स्पीक। टीचर सेज फॉर्म पेअर्स, सिलेक्ट वन word from each basket at a time and make meaningful sentences. Teacher says form pairs, select one word from each basket at a time and make meaningful sentences. Then present at least 10 sentences. For example, run around. Then present at least 10 sentences. For example, run around, turn, come, run, climb, go, up, there, left, right, here, around, down. I, we, you, he, she, it, they, found, saw, got, ate, took, gave. A, an, some, a few, many, pencil, pencils, orange, oranges, tiger, tigers. टर्न वळणे, टर्न लेफ्ट डावीकडे वळा, टर्न राईट उजवीकडे वळा, टर्न हिअर इकडे वळा, टर्न अराउंड आजूबाजूला वळा, कम येणे, कम हिअर इकडे या, कम डाऊन खाली या, कम अप वर या, कम देअर तिथे या, रन धावणे, रन देअर तेथे पळा, रन हिअर इथे पळा, रन डाऊन खाली पळा, रन अराउंड आजूबाजूला पळा, क्लाइंब चढणे, क्लाइंब अप वर चढणे, क्लाइंब डाऊन खाली चढणे, गो जाणे, गो देअर तिथे जा, गो लेफ्ट डावीकडे जा, गो राईट उजवीकडे जा, गो डाऊन खाली जा, गो अराउंड आजूबाजूला जा, गो अप वर जा. I found a pencil. We found a pencil. You found a pencil. He found a pencil. She found a pencil. It found a pencil. They found a pencil. We found an orange. You found an orange. He found an orange. She found an orange. It found an orange. They found an orange. I ate an orange. We ate an orange. You ate an orange. He ate an orange. She ate an orange. It ate an orange. They ate an orange. I took an orange. We took an orange. You took an orange. He took an orange. She took an orange. It took an orange. They took an orange. I took a pencil. We took a pencil. You took a pencil. He took a pencil. She took a pencil. It took a pencil. They took a pencil. I got a pencil. We got a pencil. You got a pencil. He got a pencil. She got a pencil. It got a pencil. They got a pencil. I saw a tiger. We saw a tiger. You saw a tiger. He saw a tiger. She saw a tiger. It saw a tiger. They saw a tiger. I gave an orange. We gave an orange. You gave an orange. He gave an orange. She gave an orange. It gave an orange. They gave an orange. I ate many oranges. We ate many oranges. You ate many oranges. He ate many oranges. She ate many oranges. It ate many oranges. They ate many oranges. I found some pencil. We found some pencils. You found some pencils. He found some pencils. She found some pencils. It found some pencils. They found some pencils. I got a few pencils. We got a few pencils. You got a few pencils. He got a few pencils. She got a few pencils. It got a few pencils. They got a few pencils. I took a few pencils. We took a few pencils. You took a few pencils. He took a few pencils. She took a few pencils. It took a few pencils. They took a few pencils. I gave many pencils. We gave many pencils. You gave many pencils. He gave many pencils. She gave many pencils. It gave many pencils. They gave many pencils. I saw many tigers. We saw many tigers. You saw many tigers. He saw many tigers. She saw many tigers. It saw many tigers. They saw many tigers. Now English word and their Marathi meaning. Let's start now. Read वाचा. Speak बोलणे. Teacher शिक्षक. Select निवडा. Word शब्द. From पासून. Basket टोपली. Time वेळ. Make बनवणे. Meaningful अर्थपूर्ण. Then मग नंतर. List कमीत कमी. Example उदाहरण. Choose निवडा. टावर बुरुज मनोरा. राईट लिहा. बिग मोठा. शीट्स ऑफ पेपर कागदपत्रावर. शो दाखवा. क्लास वर्ग. आय मी. वी आम्ही. तू यू तू तुम्ही. ही तो. सी ती. इट ते. दे ते त्या. फाउंड सापडले. सॉ पाहिले. गॉट मिळाले. एट खाल्ले. टूक घेतले. गेव दिले. सम काही. अ फ्यू काही. मेनी अनेक. टायगर वाघ. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आता तुम्हाला अर्थपूर्ण शब्द मिनिंगफुल वर्ड तयार करायचा आहे. बघा, इथं तुम्हाला काही अक्षरे दिलेले आहेत. ई सी ई ए टी एच आर. याच्यापासून एक मिनिंगफुल वर्ड पेज नंबर 14 वरचं एक अर्थपूर्ण शब्द शोधून आन्सर चॅट बॉक्समध्ये नोंदवायचा आहे. दुसरा शब्द आहे ई यस एच ओ सी ओ. या अक्षरापासून, या लेटरपासून एक मिनिंगफुल वर्ड तुम्हाला तयार करून चॅट बॉक्समध्ये आन्सर नोंदवायचा आहे. Thanks for watching this video.